Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Beast Bendy from Bendy and the Ink Machine. We're going to get started in the center of our page with the mouth. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down in the middle and then back up on the right side. Let's round out the corner of the mouth. Starting on the left, we're just going to curl this around and then in. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw the bottom part of the mouth. So we're going to take this left side, curve all the way down towards the bottom in the center, and then work our way back up towards the right side. Now let's draw in the top row of fangs. In the center, we're going to start in the middle, we're going to draw a V, coming down towards the left, and then back up. Now going back to the center, we're going to go down towards the right, and then back up. Now let's draw two curved fangs on either side. Starting on the left, we're going to curve around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm just going to taper this back up. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then up. Let's draw a few more curved fangs along the side. Starting on the left, we're just going to curl this around and then pull that back up. We'll draw one more on the end. Now let's move over to the right side and do the same thing. Now let's draw in the lower row of teeth. We're going to start from the center again. We're going to draw that upside down V towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to curve the side fangs. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then in. And then again, from the top, we're going to curve out and then down. Let's draw a few more pointed teeth along the side. Starting on the left, we're just going to go straight up and then down. We're going to continue all the way to the left side. Do two more. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a wrinkle on the corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then just pull that in. Now we're going to move up and draw on the top of the head. So in line with the corner of the mouth, we're going to go all the way to the top. We're going to curve this out, down towards the middle. Now we're going to pull that up on the right side to the same height. Now from the left, we're going to curve around the mouth down towards the chin. So start at the top, curve out, around the mouth. Now we're just going to come down, leaving a gap underneath the mouth. We're going to work our way back up towards the right side. Now in the center, we're going to draw on that one spike. Starting from the top in the center, we're going to start with a point. We're going to curve down and out towards the left, leaving a gap along the top of the head. Go back to the top, we'll curve down towards the right. Now I want to show one more spike in behind here. So from the top, we're going to step down, curve out and up towards the left. Now we're going to curve this down. Start by coming down, then curve this out towards the bottom. Now let's draw on the back. We're going to step up about halfway, curve out, and then down behind the head. Do that on the right side as well. Now let's move to the side and draw on the shoulders. So in line with the corner of the mouth, we're going to step out, curve down and out with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to overlap the shoulder. From this point, we're going to step in, curve out and up. We're going to round up the shoulder and pull that back in. Rounding it out, coming down and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, curve over that line and up. We'll round out the shoulder, come down, then in. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw on the chest. So on the left side, we're going to step in, curve down, and then in towards the hip. We're going to line this up on the right side, come down, and then in. Now right here, we're going to curve in the opposite direction down towards the hip. On the left side, we'll curve in and then down. Let's continue working down with the legs. So in between the hips, we're going to step down. We're going to start with a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now on the left side, I'm going to step in. We're going to curve down and out towards the left. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from the hips, we're going to curve the outside of the leg. Starting from the left, we're going to curve out and then down towards that same height. Now from the inside of the knee, I'm going to curve down towards the heel. I'm going to come in and then just pull that down. Now from the heel, we're going to curve over towards the toe. Starting from the inside of the heel, we're going to curve up and then down. Now let's draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, I'm going to curve up and then just pull that in. Now from the knee, we're going to curve out the side of the leg, curve that in towards the top of the foot, leaving a little bit of an overlap. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the inside of the arm first. Starting from this point, come down and then curve that out towards the elbow. Do the same thing on the right, coming down and then curving that out. Let's draw on the outside of the arm. Now I'm going to create a little overlap. So we're going to step out, curve in the opposite direction, and then pull that in towards the elbow. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the outside of the elbow, we're going to add a spike. Start by curving out and then up. Now I'm going to taper that back in and then down. Now we're going to move back in and draw the inside of the forearm. Starting from the elbow, we're going to curve in and then down to the same height as the foot. Now back on the left side, we're going to round out the first knuckle. We're just going to hook this around and then up. We're going to draw this 3 more times. Come down and up. Do it the 3rd time. Now the 4th finger, we're just going to hook it around towards the claw. Coming down, up, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by rounding out the first knuckle. Draw the 2nd, 3rd. Now the 4th knuckle is going to come all the way around towards the tip of the claw. Now back on the left side, let's draw on the inside of the claw. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve down and then pull that in. Let's draw the outside of the palm. From this point, we're going to go up and hook that in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving this down and in. We're going to go up and in towards the wrist. Now we're going to draw the outside of the forearm. Starting from this point, we're going to curve out and then in towards the wrist. Out and then pull that in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now the last thing I'm going to do is show one of the claws in behind the hand. So from this point, we're going to step up, curve out, and then up, and then we'll taper that back in behind the palm. Let's do the same thing on the right side, going up, and then tapering that back in, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Beast Bendy from Bendy and the Ink Machine. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.